Responsibility is a big part of this, taking personal responsibility for your own growth and your own well-being. Yeah, of course, it's okay to rely on each other. Right now, I'm giving and you're receiving, my thoughts and hopefully my encouragement and compassion. So even in this form, it's completely okay to accept things from other people, right? I hope you have people in your life that you can rely on. I hope you have, I don't know, a therapist, a best friend, a spouse. So it's completely okay to rely on other people I would say mutually rely on other people. We don't want it to be a one-way street. So I think it's okay to allow other people to support you if they're offering it. Don't demand it. I think it's okay to ask for help when you need it, but ultimately you do need to take responsibility for your own growth and your own well-being. So instead of seeking for validation from others and getting permission, focus on you. Focus on what it is you're not happy with in your life, what you have control over, and what you can realistically, set a goal for it and start making some changes in, even small changes. What can you be proactive about? Now, are there people to blame for certain aspects of your life? Yeah, undoubtedly. Are your parents on some level to blame for your current stuck polyvagal defensive state? Probably. Yeah, I mean, sure. I'm sure we could assign blame. Yeah. Your family, your society, religious institutions, cultural beliefs and norms. Yeah, we could blame these things up and down. And that's valid. That might be completely valid. That might be completely true. We could blame anybody and everybody, and that might be an accurate blame. But regardless, you are still responsible for making change for yourself. You just are. So your current context of your life, your current polyvagal state, your level of hope that you have, that might be a reflection. Probably is a reflection of your past. Well, it is. And so we could assign blame, and we can make sense of why you are the way you are, why you think the way you think, why you feel the way you feel. And I won't disagree with you about that. But when it comes to right now in this moment, in the next moment, and tomorrow in next month, that is up to you. That is not up to those people anymore. So I would encourage you to embrace that and take complete responsibility for this moment and what happens in the future that you do have control over. Yeah, stuff's still going to pop up in life. Random stuff will happen. There will still be, things working against you and obstacles. That is life, though. So both of these can be true at the same time. You can blame everybody in your past for how you are, and that might be true and valid. But it's also true that you are responsible for making a change in your life. It's your life. It's not theirs, right? You do make your own choices. And that can start right now. So both of these things can be true.
This podcast is not therapy, not intended to be therapy or be a replacement for therapy. Nothing in this creates or indicates a therapeutic relationship. Please consult with your therapist or seek for one in your area if you are experiencing mental health symptoms. Nothing in this podcast should be construed to be specific life advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only.